how do you make your application successful? Few of the applications which are successful have promoted their application earlier. In the early days, for startups or entrepreneurs, it is important to promote their application. How do you promote your application? We have created earlier videos for giving you tips and tricks related to promoting your application. This video we are focusing how and when the applications or the existing developers who have promoted their application, how they have become successful. Let's take example of few of the successful applications. Let's take an example of Facebook and WhatsApp. How do they market their application? How do they promote their application? In this case, when Facebook and WhatsApp wants to share something, they go to different other applications. They go to newspapers, they go to affiliate marketing, they also send emails for their application installation. Now this is important. They also send some videos or some kind of marketing material which will promote their application. Now these some of the tactics that I told you are very important when your application is stable in the market for years. For the startups and entrepreneurs, what is important? How do you start marketing or how do you start promoting your application? For startups or entrepreneurs, it's important to understand the aspects of affiliate marketing. You can start advertisement on Facebook, or you can also start advertisement on Instagram, where you can start advertisement related to how your application will benefit to the end users, how it can add more value to the end customers. It is important to understand that when they start looking at your advertisement, after 2 or 3 times, the user will be able to install the application on their mobile phone. On Android or App Store, if you look at Play Store or App Store, Android, iOS, if you look at any of these combinations, then it is important to have a web URL for installation so that the web URL will directly take up to the respective application. So your application, when you create an advertisement on Facebook or any of the other social networking platforms, then it is important to share a web URL. A web URL will install the application on the user's mobile. Last, an important aspect about email campaigning or promotion is to send an email campaign. You can create an email campaign. You can collect emails from different databases. Either you have the database with you or you can purchase a database from some other sources. But make sure that you send out thousands and thousands of emails about installing your application. Start promoting your application by creating small videos, or you can create some screenshots of your application. Make users understand or aware of the kind of benefits that they are going to get. Make sure that you are using a target audience which is relevant to the application installation. If it is a B2C or B2B, you have to think about which application installation is going to be there and which users are going to see your email. Otherwise, your email will land into spam or junk. Please be aware of it. Now, the next point is when they receive an email, what are they supposed to do? When you are doing email campaigning, then send them an e-coupon or a discount coupon which they can avail when they install the application. Now, when they avail that coupon or a discount, then the application installation will be almost free. So something like if your application is for $50 and if you give them a discount of around $40, then $10 is not that a great amount. Don't you think so? So in this particular case, give them a discount or an e-coupon which will be relevant to that particular application pricing. If your application is free, then in that particular case, then you can give them some loyalty points. Loyalty points is another point where you can start promoting your application irrespective of the application status. There could be a number of users where you can start sharing your application. There would be a share button inside the application. One of the points that you can note. When you share an application with your friends and colleagues, then you can start giving them loyalty points. So suppose like if I share this application to an X user, then I get 5 points, something like this. This will build the sharing pattern among different users, and this habit of sharing will add their points as well. So they get benefit when they share. So if you create this kind of application, which will not only build the loyalty points, but it will also help you to market your product. A word of mouth always helps you other than any other marketing points. Think of Facebook ads or WhatsApp ads, or for that matter, Instagram ads. Those are little expensive. If you can afford the advertisement budget, or if you have the right budget and the campaign allocated to it, then definitely go for that. But those are really expensive. Think about this. Now think about all the different tactics and the plans that I told you, and how other applications are doing so. Consider an application like Amazon. They start doing their email campaign by sending some e-coupons and discounts that they are going to get. The users are going to get that when someone purchases on their e-commerce platform. This is so easy for an e-commerce, because an application like Amazon can start doing that by using their existing databases of the customers, or they can also use some existing platforms like affiliate marketing, like Google. They can start using Google advertisement. A Google advertisement is another good platform where they can share their advertisement and start ask users to install the application. These are some of the important tactics and plans that I told you, and some of the really important or various applications which are popular in the market at this stage. So you can gather much more knowledge out of it. So think of this before creating your application, and think about promotion plan when you start building your application.